Ready? 1, 2, 3. What's that?
What is it?
It's a banana. Welcome to Salad with Wow.
Welcome. This channel is all about teaching early education for small kids by helping you improve your skills in an easy and fun way. Hello, hello, hello. What are we going to do today, Marcelo? You don't know? But say, remember first to subscribe. Today we have a magic box. Right, Marcelo? Stand up. What are we going to do with this magic box? We're going to learn one of the 5 senses. Touch. Marcelo can see what I'm going to put here inside the box. So Marcelo has to guess. So mommy or daddy can put any object inside the magic box and the kids have to guess what is inside. Are you ready, Marcelo?
Yes.
Are you ready, Marcelo?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so close your eyes. Close your eyes and look. Ready, Marcelo? Ready? Now you can touch, put your hands inside the box
Put both your hands.
and tell your friend, what's that?
A car.
It's a car? Yes!
Get it out, Marcelo.
Look, it's a car. Wonderful job, Marcelo. Now close your eyes again. Close your eyes again. Look, what is this? Now, ready, Marcelo? Guess what's inside the magic box? You don't know, you can see.
It's a Google.
Really? Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Wow, wonderful, Marcelo. We have another one. Look, what is this? Ready, Marcelo? What's that?
A circle.
It's a circle?
I know you're cheating.
That's not a circle. What's that?
A rectangle.
No, it's not. It's a square. Good one. It's square. So Marcelo have 2 points. Close your eyes. Look. Ready, Marcelo? What's inside? No, but you can see.
It's a Spider-Man.
It's Spider-Man what?
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Math.
Man.
I think we have only 2 points. You can see, okay? Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. What is inside the magic box? What's that? No. No, wait. Try to guess what's
Say,
inside.
what is it?
Is it what? What's that?
What is that?
A spoon? The other one.
It's a spoon.
That's a spoon? Show it to your friends.
No.
That's not a spoon. That's a fork.
Four.
A fork. Okay. How many points, Marcelo? I think 2 points. 2 points. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What's that?
What is it?
It's a banana.
It's a banana? I don't know. Let's see.
Let's see, what is it, Marcelo?
Wow, it's a banana. One more. Close your eyes. Ready? Let's see. What's that?
A Lego.
It's a Lego? I don't know. Yay! Marcelo have 4 points. Good one. And the last one, let's see. Marcelo love this. I don't know. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. What's that? No!
You can't say.
It's a chocolate. So you can do this activity with any object, okay? And Marcelo, tell your friends that we are.
Watching you.
Look, we're watching you. Marcelo's gonna eat the chocolate